Hi there. The question today is, why do so many financial advisors give up? So why did they give up? Why did they walk away from a career that has been very rewarding for me and has been very rewarding for a number of people I know who are in the business? I guess one of the things is we have to treat it as a profession, not as a job. And like any profession, there's a learning curve. There are things that you need to learn to go through those stages that we go through of being the intern, of learning and practicing, becoming established, and then specializing and becoming the expert, the master of the profession, if you like. That takes time. And for each of us, the time is a little different. So for some, they come into the business and they start strong and they stay in the business. Some come in the business, start strong, and then they have difficulties and they leave the business. Some come in the business and have a more modest beginning in the business and give up. And then there's others that have more modest beginning and stick to it. And that certainly would be me. I mean, I came in the business, it was a struggle for me. You know, you come in and you're selling first to people you know, your circle of family, friends, acquaintances, and some of them buy from you and others don't. And then you move to the cold market where people don't know you and you have to build up a relationship, and hopefully some of those people buy from you. So first, we have to understand that as a profession, it's going to take time for you to settle into it and for you to truly learn how to behave in the business. So the other thing too is you have to always be clear about why you're in the business. If you're in the business to make a lot of money, you need to be really careful, because that may come across in your telephone call, in your appointment, that you're out there to make a sale. And I don't know about you, but in my case, when I am in front of a salesperson and it becomes clear to me that they just want to make a sale, that they're not truly interested in me, I walk away as quickly as I can. And so you want to be clear that why are you in the business? If it's to make money, that's fine, but learn the skill that what's far more important is to make a difference, And so your motives have to be pure. You need to be honest with the customer. You have to show that you truly care about their situation and you're there to help them resolve their situation, improve their situation. If you don't have that focus, if you don't have that motive, you're going to find this business difficult. Because, when people meet with a financial advisor, that financial advisor is a representative of the company they belong to. In fact, in the eyes of the customer, that individual is the company. And so they have to be able to develop trust with you pretty quickly before they'll walk through the process. Certainly before they meet you, but before they'll walk through the process, before they'll give you information, before they'll follow your advice and make the purchases they need to make to take care of their situation. And so if you can understand that it's a profession, if you can understand that it does take time, and you're willing to invest that time, and you're clear about your motives, and you also remember that the customer is king, that you need to really focus on the customer, of adding value to them and making a difference in their situation, then you should do well in this business. But don't give up too easily. It does take time. There's a lot to learn. There's a lot to learn about yourself. It's also, there's one more factor, is that, when you're coming into this business as a financial advisor, is that people view you based on what you did before. So if before you were a financial advisor, you were a teacher, or you were working in some factory, or you were a manager in some organization, it takes a while for your circle of friends, family, acquaintances to view you as a financial advisor rather than what you did before. So again, that's another reason that it may take a little longer for you to develop your reputation and for people to understand that you really are there in the role permanently to make a difference. So If you can do those things, if you can hang in there, don't get anxious about it, realize it's going to take time, pay the price, put in the effort, follow the advice of myself and others, you'll do well in the business and you will survive. And more importantly, you'll thrive in this business. So I wish you great success in the path that you're walking. Hang in there. Please hang in there. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and share this. And please send me any messages of what you'd like me to talk about, or if you've got any comments or concerns about what I have produced so far. Bye for now.